Vowel sounds play an important role in correctly reading, writing, speaking, and understanding Spanish. They're the basis for everything that we do. Vowel sounds are formed with no stops or blocks in the airway. It flows right on through. Proper grammar depends on very clear and distinct vowel sounds. There are 5 vowel sounds in Spanish total: a, e, I, o, u. Hola, ¿cómo está usted? Yo estoy muy bien, gracias. ¿De dónde es usted? Yo soy de los Estados Unidos. Don't forget that vowels and vowel sounds play an important role in reading, writing, speaking, and understanding Spanish. Keep them clear. A, E, I, O, U.